this 1 year, I managed to grow my Instagram account from 98 followers to a whopping 100,000 followers. It's been an incredible ride and it involves thousands of steps. But if I had to choose a few of them to share and help you achieve the same success, here's what I would say. Tip number 1, solve people's problems. This is a must. Solving people's problems significantly boosted my growth. When creating reels, I made sure to focus on content that provided valuable information and related to my target audience. When people see that you are genuinely interested in solving their problems, they'll be more likely to follow you and engage with your content. So find out what challenges, questions, or issues your target audience has and create reels that address those problems. It could be anything from sharing valuable tips, hacks, tutorials, or providing insights in your niche. Have no idea what your audience's problems are? You can use a website called answerthepublic.com to find out the problems your target audience has and tailor your reels around solving these problems. And you will attract a dedicated following interested in your content and keep coming back for more. Tip number 2, create shorter reels. People's attention spans are shorter than ever, so it's important to capture your audience's attention within the first few seconds. Think about your own scrolling behavior. When you are scrolling through your Instagram feed, think about what reels catch your eye. Chances are it's the ones that are concise, visually appealing, get straight to the point, and have a compelling hook. So keep your reels short, simple, and engaging. I found that my shorter reels, usually around 7 to 30 seconds long, performed much better than the longer ones. Honestly, like I said earlier, the first few seconds are crucial, so make sure to use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to hook your viewers right away and keep them watching your video all the way through and increase the likelihood of them hitting that follow button. Tip number 3, post reels consistently. Let's talk about consistency here. Constantly posting high quality content is not easy, and I absolutely get that, but it's key when it comes to growing your Instagram account. When I got serious with my account, I decided to test things out by posting 14 reels every week, and I'm not even exaggerating here. I did it not for days, weeks, months, but for a whole year. And I noticed a significant spike in both my followers and overall engagement. Because I thought consistency meant posting 2 to 5 reels a day, but honestly, that's not what consistency actually means. If you don't like the idea of posting every day, it's okay, I get it. Not everyone can do this. You can still post 3 to 4 reels every week and still grow your accounts. Right now, I'm not posting 14 reels every week anymore because that's not my goal. Also, make it a habit to be active and constantly showing up in your followers' feed and increase your visibility and engagement. The more you post consistently, the more opportunities you have to reach new viewers and potential followers. So make sure to plan your content in advance so you're always prepared to deliver consistent and high quality reels. Moving on to tip number 4, use trending sounds. Instagram's audio library is filled with a wide range of sounds that can enhance your reels' impact. But what really helped me gain traction was using popular sounds in my content. When I started posting reels, I didn't know the importance of using trending sounds. Basically, this is what I was doing. I'll find a great idea that is relevant to my target audience, create my reel out of it, and find any audio and just post my reel. You see, this is a great strategy. But once I decided to use these popular sounds in my reels got on the explore page, the reels tab, and people started following me. When you use trending sounds, you tap into the existing buzz and interest surrounding those audios. This increases the chances of your reels being discovered and shared by a wider audience. Don't know where to find these sounds? You can find them by exploring the reels tab, the explore page, and checking other creators who constantly post reels and get great results. Because not everyone likes posting reels though. Just remember to always relate it to your niche and aim to help the view of your video. Before we move on to the next step, if you want to learn more about reels and grow your following, check out the first link in the description and expand your social media presence today. Moving on to the next step, be patient. In the beginning, things are going to be slow. You're not going to get much views on your reels, but don't delete them. That's a mistake I see a lot of people do. They just delete their reels because of low views. But what they actually don't know is reels have a longer shelf life. It can blow up even weeks or months after posting. So don't delete them just because of low views. Be patient and keep posting consistent, high quality content, and you will see success. That's exactly what I did. I was patient. It took me 6 months before I started to see some traction on my account. So this step is crucial for your growth. Implement these steps into your own reel strategy and your accounts will grow. Most importantly, have fun creating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.